Another legal fight is taking shape over Michigan's election results, but this time it's in the Supreme Court. President Trump tweeted this morning his intent to intervene in the suit to overturn the state's election results. As Nick Monticelli shows us, a prominent official from Texas is behind the suit.
Good afternoon. A lawsuit from one state AG to another, certainly rare, I guess you could say. Some people have asked, what's the probability of the Supreme Court actually taking this case up, actually saying, yes, we're going to hear it? I've been told it's a Hail Mary across about 4 football fields. Texas AG Ken Paxton filed this lawsuit yesterday, asking the Supreme Court to hear this case, claiming Michigan and the other states altered election laws and flooded the state with ballots with no chain of custody. That is false. In 2018, Michigan voters approved no-reason absentee voting. What Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson did this year was send out applications to vote absentee, not ballots themselves, until the voter completed that application.
Let's see whether or not somebody has the courage, whether it's a legislator or legislatures, or whether it's a justice of the Supreme Court or a number of justices of the Supreme Court. Let's see if they have the courage to do what everybody in this country knows is right.
The president's legal team has not seen any success here in Michigan so far, and yesterday the U.S. Supreme Court declined to hear a Pennsylvania case that wanted to reverse the state's vote certification. Michigan AG Dana Nessel and the AGs from Pennsylvania and Wisconsin wrote a joint statement writing, "It's well past time for the president and our fellow states and elected officials to stop misleading the public about this year's election and to acknowledge that the results certified in our states reflect the decisions made by the voters in a free, fair, and secure election." So what is next? Well, our AG Dana Nessel has to file her response, her brief, by tomorrow. I'm Nick Monticelli, Local 4.